Today, it's the 16th of May already. Holy cow, time is flying by. So we're midway through our design month. So right now at Topcoder, it's design month. So we're really excited to celebrate design month in honor of Guy, who was our Topcoder member, MVP designer from Philippines, who passed away a couple years ago. So we always honor Guy with design month every year. And so one of the coolest parts of design month I'm excited about is our freelancer fair. So I do want to just share this with you guys. And if you're not a designer, that's okay. You can still be a part of our freelancer fair because we always have really great content for you here. We'll have the agenda up here shortly. We just finalized it, but we'll have our amazing Lily Fogel back. So she is our interviewing specialist. Every time we have a freelancer fair, she comes on and gives us some really great tips. If you've heard her before, you know how amazing she is. If you have not heard her before, go Google everything about her and all the past video clips, because I'm telling you, she is incredible. One of the best people ever to learn about how to be good at interviewing, how to answer questions well. So she's a really great asset to us. We also will be having some of our awesome design members who are freelancers now and how they started off and started their own business. So they have some great tips for you. We're going to have one of our own team members, Checks, joining to talk about our new design systems. And we'll talk about that in a minute. And we're also going to have a customer story on here. So Farja reached out to one of our amazing customers from last year who worked with our design community, and they're going to share about how they solved this cool problem for him. So he's really excited about coming in and doing that. So lots of great stuff for our freelancer fair. Please do get it on your calendar and register. We're looking forward to having you there. And then also for design month, where is it? We have our Topcoder Nation show happening tomorrow, literally 24 hours from now, with Trevor. So Trevor is on our UX team at Topcoder. He's been around for a while. Definitely don't miss this session with Luis interviewing him. He's going to share some cool stuff about design, and you can still ask questions. Can you still ask questions, Luis? Still have time? Oh yeah, thank you for sharing the link. So if you have any questions for Trevor in advance, please feel free to add them there. But that should be a really great session tomorrow. We have a bunch of design challenges in the works and some more coming soon. I figured I would just bring up the challenge listing and kind of show what we've got going on. If you're ever new and want to learn how to do that, if you go to topcoder.com/challenges, you can just kind of turn off the other tracks if you want to see exactly what's happening with design only. So just ignore this. I get certain things that maybe not for everybody, but we have a certificate design challenge happening right now, which is really fun. So this is for our new learning paths. We have an idea generation for design. So if you're good with design, you want to help teach our members design through our new learning paths, another great opportunity to get in there and share an idea of how that learning path works. We've got a few other challenges there as well. And there's going to be another one launching later today, one of my challenges. So please stay tuned for all the challenges for design month. And if you're in Discord and you have selected design as an interest, you can always check the design challenges feed. And every new design challenge will automatically go through that Discord channel, so you don't miss a thing. Okay, and then, yeah, let's talk about NASA, you guys, because we are hosting a webinar in a couple weeks, which will be, actually, no, that's next week. Wow, time flies, it's next week, just kidding. That is going to be on the 24th, this NASA match, this NASA recap. What's really cool about this is we're going to have the Topcoder team and some of the winners from this match talk about how they solved the problem. So if you would like to learn more about how we discovered some comets, don't miss this webinar. It should be a really good time. Renat, are you going to be on that one next week?
Absolutely. Like, I would love to.
Great. Yep. So it'll be really cool to talk through that. And I know, spoiler alert, that we're going to have another comet detection match soon. I don't have any details on it other than we're going to have another one. So
they want more.
Right.
They love it. They
comets. They're so
more
green.
comets. We want more comets.
Yep. Very cool. So excited about that one. Let's see what else we have going on. I'm really unorganized today. Sorry about that, guys. We already talked about the Topcoder Nation show with Trevor tomorrow, so that'll be fun. We have a hangout coming up on May 27th. So that's next Friday. A great opportunity to come in and hang out with all of you guys and just hang out and play some games. I'll share the link to that one. What we do here is we get on camera, we play some games virtually, we give out some prizes. It's a great opportunity to meet some folks, network, just have some fun with the community. So please do check that out if you're available. We'd love to have you. So that's, lots of fun ways to interact with our members virtually. Hey, we have a skill builder happening as well right now. This is for Microsoft Power Apps. So if you guys are new to Topcoder, we have skill builder competitions. These are really cool because they help you build your skills in a technology. So this one is specific to Microsoft Power Apps. And so the way that they work is we have an easy, medium, and hard challenge. So you can go to the easy, check it out. You can submit to it. And then, hey, say you want to upskill some more, try the medium and then the hard. And what this does is it gives you a verified skill check mark on your Topcoder profile that you are skilled with this technology. So if you're looking at a Topcoder freelance gig for Microsoft Power Apps, you can have a better chance of getting that gig because you are already skilled in it. And then same goes with like the Topcoder team. If there's some skills that we need to make sure we have members in, then they'll come to me and say, hey, I need to run a Topcoder skill builder competition to grow our members in this skill. And so we run them all the time. There's always a skill builder of the month. So that's the one that's going on now. But as I said, there's always skill builders running. So check out the skill builder competitions. It's a great way to keep busy and keep learning. So if you guys have any questions on the skill builders, please let me know. All right, what else do we have going on? Ooh, live announcement. Look at this, Daniela. What is this all about? Is Vicky here? Does she want to talk about it? Put her on the spot. She's here.
Yeah, we can go ahead and talk about it.
Come on, Vicky. Surprise. You're going to talk about this today. She's like, oh, Jesse, what are you doing to me? You're on mute, though, if you are trying to talk. So I don't know if she's available to talk. Well, anyway, Danielle, you want to give a quick overview? If we wait and see if Vicky wants to jump in after.
Yeah, I can give a quick overview. So we are basically creating a developer center where we are going to, basically it's going to be a site where we are going to add all the information about the APIs, the SDKs, and everything a developer needs to create useful tools for working with APIs for our members, for our direct, for our other products that we're having. This should be something that it's easy to understand, very well documented, something that even the designers could understand and use. It would have a proper documentation with lots of examples. It will be very well structured. And this project is a larger one that we are developing for community, by the community entirely. We previously ran an idea generation challenge, and now we are at the design phase. And we are going to launch the challenge today, I think. And the new challenge is going to use the new brackets design system that the UX team has been working on for some days. And it's going to be first challenge where we're using this design system. And following this, there's going to be a workshop in 2 days about how to use the design system. That would be like next slide.
Yeah, awesome. And Vicky's here. Yay, Vicky.
Yes, Vicky, go ahead.
If you want to share some more about the brackets design system. But yeah, really excited about this developer center, guys. This is for all of you. So help us build it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I wasn't in an appropriate place. Yeah, I'm very excited about this launch as well, because it's using our new design system, which we are working on for years, I would say, because Daniela had it earlier, and since a couple of months, the UX team is working on it, and we are really working hard during the whole weekend and everything to make it in a way that you guys will be able to use it. And I hope you're gonna love it.
Nice. Yeah. So there's a challenge launching today, as you said, for the developer center, and then we're going to have a webinar. Wait, do I have the date and time here? That's Wednesday.
Yes,
10 a.m. Where
Right.
Alex and I will be there, and we'll show you guys around the new design system. You can ask questions if you have any. I hope you are going to join, even those who are not going to participate in this challenge maybe, but hopefully we will have more, Jesse. I hope that we will have more challenges coming in the pipeline, which will use this design system. So it's a good opportunity for you guys to, get familiar with it. And not to mention, not only because of Topcoder, but you can actually learn how to use the design system and learn about the new features. I'm also planning to write an article. It's almost done. So I'm planning to post an article for you guys about the new features in Figma, which are great. So yeah, welcome. And please join this webinar on Wednesday, 10 a.m. ET.
Yeah, so exactly 2 days from now around this time. So this is kind of a big deal, you guys, especially for our community, because anything that we're going to be running internally going forward will be leveraging the Topcoder brackets design system. So as a designer or even a developer, you need to understand what this is going to be all about so you can be successful in internal Topcoder challenges. My goal is to make sure that every time we're running things for ourselves, we're running challenges through the community. And so you will all need to be able to successfully execute with the design system that we have. And as Vicky said, being able to use the design system in general will be really great educationally for you. So I highly encourage any of you interested to learning more about this to join the webinar. Danielle, if you can share the link to the event in there, that'd be great. Please join and check it out, and we'll have it recorded. We'll have some more documentation on it. And then I think at the end of the day, it'll live in the developer center as well, right? Because we're going to build this center that has all the information for our community members to be successful at Topcoder and to leverage all the tools that we have, including this. So get in on the beginning to help build and design what that center looks like so that you can use it, okay? Any questions on this, you guys? It's a really, really great project. It's going to bring loads of challenges in the next few weeks, so. Any questions? And for the Topcoder team here as well, I'm really excited about this project in general because we like to work with the community for everything we do at Topcoder. It's so important, right? Because you guys are so talented. You can do things better than all of us can any day. And so it's important that we're showing the world how we leverage our amazing talent. So it's a great example for how other customers and folks can come in as well. Oh, see, we built this entire thing through our community, and you can do the same. So really excited about this project. Oh, I think I do have it up here, the event. Yeah, so please join the event Wednesday. Cool stuff. All right, so that was a live announcement. You guys just heard it first here. Let's move on to our freelance gigs. So Topcoder has freelance gigs that we promote every week. And some of these freelance gigs are available for you to apply for based on your skill set and where you live. So this first one is a hybrids developer. It's a new one. This is any location. So if you have this skill, put it on your resume and you can apply. And then of course you can always share. If you're logged into Topcoder, you'll have your own personal referral link. Or if you want to use mine and I can get the referral fee, that's fine too. I always say that, no one ever does it. I never get the referral fees. I'm the one who tells everybody about these gigs every week. So if you get the gig, I should be getting the referral fee, right? Somebody take care of that for me, please. Just kidding. We have a blockchain developer gig. This has been a hot topic the last few weeks. So do check this one out if you're located anywhere and you have these skills, make sure they're on your resume. The cool thing with these freelance gigs is you're working directly with the customer. So Topcoder is just, enabling you to work with them. But you're still a Topcoder member getting paid through Topcoder. So it's a great opportunity if you want some stability. So this is a half a year long thing. This one is a senior Salesforce developer, also any location. So you can read through the requirements. You can see there's a special timing that they need as well. And we have a senior Java developer. So if you know your coffee or Java, I guess, you can apply for this one. This is a 4-week-long gig, so not too long. So another great opportunity to keep that freelance lifestyle you like, but just get 4 weeks of solid work in. And finally, we have a senior React.js developer. And this is also for any location. So any questions on our freelance gigs this week, you guys? Any questions for our gig team at all? You can always go to topcoder.com/gigs to see all of our gigs. And every Thursday we send out the gigs of the week, so you don't miss them. Okay, any other questions on any of that? All right, and then finally we have our calendar, which I think we missed the new, oh wait, no, we have the developer design challenge in here. We don't have the, oh, we do, we have, you guys updated. You guys are fantastic, I love it. So everything is in here. There's a lot of information, a lot of cool things going on. Basically, if you want to take part in all these things, you just have to stop having a life for the next few weeks, which is totally fine because we'd love to have you at all these things. Topcoder every day, all day, yay. It's also super cool to be a part of our Discord community because we talk about all these things, and we're sharing these things and communicating. So if you're not in Discord, definitely highly recommend you doing that. Okay, that's all I have for today. So I'm going to stop there. And I want to make sure we have time if you have any questions or if my Topcoder team has anything else they want to share or chat about, promote, anything else going on in your world, guys.
Sorry, I couldn't get all my stuff turned back on quick enough. So I've sent out a couple of invites and it's fun seeing your faces and whatnot, just to be able to have a meet and greet. It's completely no pressure, just kind of want to know who you are as part of our community, as well as working really closely with Jessie to be able to support her and remove some of the roadblocks that she encounters that will help drive just even community engagement and community involvement. So partnering super close with her. So by no means is this a this or that, like a Jessie or Angie. It's a Jessie, and Angie wants to get to know Jessie's cool people. And so thank you for your flexibility with me. If I haven't said it yet, I love working on the world clock. So all of you have been wildly kind trying to accommodate my time zone. Don't do that. I'm happy to accommodate yours. So if I sent an invite that doesn't work based on your time zone, let me know what does work for you. And I would be happy to visit you based on what's available. But started connecting with a few of you, really looking forward to it. It's been fun to integrate. And when I met with Doug last week, I was like, I just want to make sure, like, is there anything you want me to be working on or going after? And he's like, no, continue to spend time with our people. So I was like, okay, cool. This is like the best thing ever. So thank you so much. If we don't have time on the calendar and you'd like to grab time, please, by all means, take the initiative, shoot me a 15 to 30-minute invite and let's connect. I'd love to know who you are as a human. So that's pretty much from my end.
Thanks, Angie.
Of course.
So our Topcoder team is growing, you guys, which is fantastic. So Angie's here to help us grow well together. So I'm excited about it. And we've got a really awesome team. And by the way, and something I haven't mentioned on these calls before is we are hiring. There's a lot of Topcoder roles open if you went to our Topcoder jobs page. So if you are interested in joining Topcoder full time, that is a possibility. So Corey here has been kind of leading that effort. So Corey, if you want to put the jobs link in there, that'd be great. But check out the openings that we have. We also have some Topcoder gigs available as well for internal work. So you can still be a part of the community as a freelancer and still do some gigs, but still work from Topcoder. Or if you want to work full time for us, it's definitely an option. So check that out. We'd love to have you. All right. Anything else, you guys? Any other questions you have? I love seeing Udare here this morning. Good morning, Udare. He's all the way on the West Coast and he joins us. So it's nice to have you here early, bright and earlier Monday morning. And Vanita, welcome as well. Have you written any new articles lately, Vanita, for us? Are you going to do some of the learning path idea gen contest? That seems right up your alley. I'm sure. Awesome. And let's see who else we have here. Jasper, I haven't seen you before. Welcome to our call. I hope this was helpful for you. We want to make sure these are valuable calls for you, whether it's just to meet and greet or just hang out and learn what's going on, or just ask some questions. So feel free to join any week that you want. And provide me feedback. I love your feedback. If you tell me these calls are totally boring and I should change them, let me know. If you like them or you want more of this or that, let me know. But anyway, nice to see you. And I see Abby's here as well. Hi, Abby. Nice to see you here. He's kind of rocking it over in Nigeria, growing our community. So good job, Abby. Okay. Well, that's it for me, you guys. I hope this was a fun day. I really hope this is a great start to your Monday and you guys have an awesome week. But I'm around if you have any questions, and I'll see you in Discord maybe. Thank you guys. See
Hi,
ya.
everyone.